What if one machine could do more and use less? I know, usually you have to pick one. That's what got me curious about this. My name is Elio Morillo and I am the GE Profile Innovation Insider. This is the GE Profile UltraFast Combo. One machine that washes and dries your clothes in a single cycle. No transferring, no venting to the outside, no second appliance. And it's powered by Ventless inverter heat pump technology that's up to 50% more efficient than a standard dryer. And yes, connected through SmartHQ. You start a wash, get pulled into something, and come back to a damp, musty load. I've been there. The UltraFast Combo finishes the whole job in one machine. Wash and dry in about 90 minutes. No transferring, no forgetting. And for anyone who's ever said, I can't put a dryer there, it doesn't have a vent, here's where I geek out. The Ventless inverter heat pump is a closed system. No duct needed, runs on a regular 120 volt outlet, and delivers up to 50% more efficient drying. Gentler on clothes, easier on your bill. I also appreciate how it handles drying. The fast airflow system extracts moisture quickly and evenly. Comforters to delicates in one continuous cycle. No second round. GE Profile's airflow is significantly faster than other 2-in-1 combos on the market. Laundry has this way of sitting in the back of your head all day, but SmartHQ takes it off your plate. Monitor from anywhere, get a ping when it's done, download specialty cycles on demand. What keeps hitting me is that every problem I just listed is something that real people deal with every week, and GE Profile just takes it off the table. Ventless heat pump, smart dispense, specialty cycles through SmartHQ, all working together so laundry stops piling up and starts being something your home just handles. GE Profile is designing appliances that make life less complicated. The UltraFast Combo is a perfect example. It takes a chore, like laundry, and turns it into something that happens in the background. That's the kind of everyday engineering I can really get behind.